Mes élèves de français 1, bonjour. J'espère que vous avez passé une très bonne journée hier. Il faisait très beau, un peu froid, mais il faisait beau. Aujourd'hui, nous allons encore voir le verbe aller. En corrigeant vos devoirs while correcting your homework, I noticed that some of you were still a little confused when they have to use aller plus the preposition a and an article. So today I'm going to find a way to make you understand that it's something that is in fact simple. First of all, you know the verb aller, we use it for in presentation. When we say comment ça va, it was about how the person is doing, how the person is feeling. But aller also, when you use it with preposition a, it gives you the direction to go somewhere. Par exemple, when you say I'm going to the library, in French, you are going to say je vais à la bibliothèque. Donc, regardez, j'ai essayé de faire ceci pour vous faire comprendre. Premièrement, sur ce document, here, what you can see is aller, and you have aller and the preposition here. And you have this little person here, character, going in that direction, that is going, or she's going, whoever the person is going in that direction. That means that the person is not going back, but going to some place. Okay? Donc, avec la préposition à, aller à means going to somewhere. Donc, aller à l'école, ici, on dira je vais à l'école. Et si c'est la piscine, je ou tu vas, le verbe aller, va, you have to conjugate it, à la piscine. Et ici, il va à l'hôpital. And you notice that here, l'école et l'hôpital, it's L apostrophe. Why? It's because the H of hospital is not pronounced. So it's as if there was only the O. That means that you have to say hôpital, l'hôpital, because you say that there is a conflict when you have two vowels next to each other. So that's why you remove the E here and you put an apostrophe. And here you are going to remove the A because it's une école, it's feminine, la école, you cannot say la école, you are going to say l'école. And here, of course, la piscine, you know, you have P, so you'll keep la. So this is, I hope that it's clearer. And don't forget that when you complete a sentence, you have to conjugate the verb. Conjugate the verb the way you know. Je vais, tu vas, il va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont. D'accord? Maintenant, ici, vous voyez, c'est toujours, it's still the same person going to some places. Donc, ça va être aller à. But aller à. Ici, vous avez cinéma. Vous savez, on dit le cinéma. You have to say le cinéma because cinema is masculine. Normally, it should be à le, but you cannot say à le because you need to contract these two, à and le, to say au. Donc, aller au cinéma. Park is masculine. Aller au park. And when it's plural, the a plus les becomes o with x, which means that it's plural. And then, for instance, you say, nous allons aux Jeux Olympiques. Olympic Games. Okay? Ils vont aux États-Unis. You know, États-Unis, les États-Unis, USA, your country. So, il va aux États-Unis. D'accord? Donc, dans l'activité que vous avez faite mercredi, you had to conjugate, to put aller plus the preposition a plus the article and then the noun. That's what you had to do. So don't be confused. Actually, we are learning how to say going to. And going to, we say aller à. D'accord? Voilà. Donc, pour vos devoirs, for your homework, for your activities today, you'll have to correct your assignment, Wednesday's assignment. You'll have to go through it and correct. On your document, I put some comments. Read my comments and correct. Be careful. Read often and correct. And follow the directions. It seems that some of you are just jumping, you know, and start to do without reading the directions. Please read the directions. And I'm going to give more sentences for those who understood already the structure. They will have some exercises to practice. Voilà. Passez une très bonne journée. À cet après-midi, au tutoriel à 15h, de 15h à 15h30. Au revoir.